The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, had briefed media persons on the 18th of January on the various issues concerning the state. On the alleged illegal coal mining in the state, PRESTONE TYNSONG, while denying the fact that such activities are going on within Meghalaya, clarified by saying that the National Green Tribunal, or NGT, has been monitoring the entire mining process in Meghalaya and therefore all allegations are false and baseless.
NGT is already in place. SIT has been constituted by the NGT. So we don't have a jurisdiction on that. I think the best agency would be NGT. So therefore, as I said to you, I don't know why LO says that you need again another body to go in deep to this alleged illegal mining activities that has happened in our state. But I'm just telling you, NGT is monitoring on a very regular basis. They are monitoring in a very, very regular basis about the illegal mining activities.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya had also informed newspersons on the current pandemic situation in the state and said that a lockdown will only make the general public suffer as far as economic activities are concerned. All protocols and strict vigilance at entry points to the state are being followed so as to prevent spread of infection of new variants of the coronavirus in the state, informed Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG.
Be it rich people or be poor people, they suffer a lot. That's why we put this restriction. Why we wanted to make sure people coming in from outside the state at least go for test. If the test is negative, I mean you are normal. Okay, good, fine. Even you yourself, you feel comfortable. Since you tested yourself and you are negative, then nothing like it. So this is the intention of the government. That's what we have to do there. Why we are doing this? As I said, you see, we have spent a lot of time. All officers, team of doctors, team of people which we engage in the entry point. It's huge. In fact, we really don't want, but we can't help it. The situation demanded that we have to do it. So we are doing it. So I don't think people will complain for that, because this is done not to harass people, but this is done for safety of people who are already in the state, as well as those people who are coming in from outside the state.
The Meghalaya Day celebration on 21st January 2022 will go on as scheduled, though there will not be a sight of Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the event, but just a statement to be read out on his behalf.
Prime Minister will communicate unum la banwan. Then they can don captain just statement kabun aimu visually. Ya kani kita work out na kaliang chief secretary, na kaliang ka department concern, hakaba fit in hakato ka program kaba ngin yarakhe haka arpoitrik haka por karwe ji hangti hapo Nehru Stadium hapo program.